Hello guys, how you doing today? So today I'm going to make a protein oat snack. So watch me as I do my baking, okay? See you later. So right in my blender I add the blueberry and the raspberry and some banana goes in there. And then I'm gonna add, let me show you something. This. I'm gonna add 2 scoops in the blender and blend it all together. And I'm also gonna add this baking powder in the blender. Also, I am gonna add my ground cinnamon. I'm gonna add all together and blend. So keep watching. This is my baking powder, 1 tablespoon. Because I put cinnamon, pouring the mixture in here. As you can see, blends so well, so smoothie. You can also have this as a smoothie drink. It's very healthy, very healthy. Everything in there. Alright guys, this is the mixture of the blended fruits, protein powder, baking powder, and cinnamon. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add my oats in there. So keep watching, okay? This is gonna be very delicious, very healthy snack for you and me. Keep watching. My oven is already on and preheating my oven to get it ready for the baking. Okay, as you can see, I'm ready my pan for baking. I spray a non-stick oil on the pan, yeah, to get the pan ready for baking. The oil is non-stick oil spray, which is 0 calories and is also good for your health. Okay, keep watching. Now I'm gonna be using coconut oats, old-fashioned one. This is what I'm using for my baking today. And this is my measuring cup. I'm gonna be adding a lot of oats, as much as I want, into this mixture right here, okay? I don't know how much I'm gonna need, but I'll keep adding until I get to my satisfaction. Guys, I end up adding 15 cups of oats to this mixture right here, and I'm gonna stir it all together to blend well before I start the baking. As you can see, this is 15 cups of oats. Yes guys, this is very, very healthy for you. This is sugar free, all natural sugar, no added sugar at all. This is natural sugar, natural. I don't buy snacks outside when I go out. This is my snack, you know. This is what I made as my snack for the week. Even when I'm home, if I need snack, if I can't have a banana or apple or strawberry, this is what I have, you know. It's really good. Oats is good for your heart. Oats is good for your health. You can ask the doctor that, you know. Yes. Sometimes I do have this snack as my dinner, you know. And with a green tea. depends on how you know, how you want it. There are some times that I'm really lazy to cook dinner, and this is my easiest snack to grab and just make some hot tea with it, and I'm good for the night, you know. Also, this oat is good for digestion, really good for digestion, you know. If you have oats mostly in the morning with some fruits, you see that you use the restroom easily, you know. It also cleans your stomach, really good. I don't know about you, but for me it does a very good laxative, as they call it, for my stomach, you know. Bowel movement, easy bowel movement, yeah, when you eat oats. So it's been blended together, and I'm gonna begin to pour it into the baking pan. Keep watching, guys. As you can see, so I already transported the mixed oats into my baking pan. As you can see, you know, looking so nice and delicious already. And I'm gonna, before I start baking, I'm gonna add Italian seasoning, and here it is. Italian seasoning, Italian flavor. I'm gonna pour it on, just sprinkle it on top, you know. This is Italian flavor. This is healthy as well. Yeah. See, I'm gonna sprinkle it on the top. Watch me as I do that. This is it. Sprinkle. Yeah, this is the finished outlook. It's on the pan right now, and I'm gonna be adding some seasoning, Italian seasoning. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit on top of the oats. This is it, Italian seasoning. You know, it's healthy as well. I'm gonna just sprinkle a little on top. Sprinkle a little on top. Sprinkle a little on top. And that is ready to go in the oven. I set the oven on 400 and for 1 hour. Let me show you. Now it's on 47 minutes now, so you're probably gonna be baking for 45 minutes, because for 45 minutes it should be ready, and I'll bring it out. And that's my oven, and it's right inside the oven. We'll be in there for 45 minutes. All right, guys, I'll see you later when it's done, okay? Hello, guys, here we are. This is the finished outlook. It is baked already, baked for 45 minutes. So I'm gonna be cutting it into pieces and storing it in the freezer. Here it is, baked protein oat snack. This is it. We are gonna have snack all week long. We are going to have snack all week long. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Ciao. Love you. Ciao. Bye.